So recently, I've been getting a lot of comments from a lot of people on here asking how they can actually use songs in their YouTube videos, Facebook videos, or TikTok videos without being copyrighted by the platform. And the truth is that it's very difficult to actually find songs that are not copyrighted, mostly when you want to use them for free. However, in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 simple ways which you can actually get these songs and then use them in your videos legally and not get copyrighted by either of these platforms. So the method 1 might not get you exactly the song you need, but it might help you get something really close to it. But the method 2 will get you exactly the song you need, but then you have to actually pay for that one. So without taking much of your time, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So with that already said, let's get straight to today's video. Let me share with you these 2 websites that you can actually go get these songs for either free or the paid alternative. So let's get straight to work. So guys, now that you're on my screen, let's get straight. Let me actually share with you these 2 websites where you can actually go and get songs for free and then actually use on your website. Note, you are going to pay for one of them, but the first one I'm going to share with you will be totally free. So now the first one on our list is actually known as a YouTube audio library. Now this one is provided by YouTube itself for creators to actually use. When you use songs from here, it's either you give attributes or some people required to give attributes who use them. So let me actually share with you how you can actually get to filter songs out if you want to use the free ones, because this is the only place where you can get free songs and use in your videos without being afraid of getting copyrighted. Now once you come back to the YouTube audio library, you can see the notice here. By using this audio library, you agree with YouTube library terms and conditions, so you just have to accept that, okay? Now, first of all, let me show you how you can actually access this audio library. So to access this audio library, you have to log on to YouTube Studio on the web and then come over on your left-hand tab here. I'm going to see where it says audio library. Now, once you come over here, you can search the song by title, or you can call filter out here by genre, mood, or any of those options. You just have to filter out to the particular song you want. Now, for those of you who are looking for something whereby you don't have to give the creator of the song any attributes in your video description, the best thing for you to do is simply come over here and then set to attribution not required. Now, once you set to attribution not required, YouTube is only going to show you songs that don't require to give attribute to the owner. Because if attribute is required, a notice will need to be placed in your video description. And if you don't place this notice, you can get copyrighted. That's why I always advise, if you are going here to avoid making any sort of mistake, go for the songs that don't require any attribute at all. Because this one, you can just download the songs and then use them in your videos without being afraid of being copyrighted. Now, in case you want to download the song, the first thing you can do is that you can actually play the song here to see if it actually matches with what you're actually looking for. You can just click on it to play. Let me just mute my speaker. Now, once you click on it to play like this, so that's easy. Let's start by the like it for 2 minutes. So you can simply click on this word and then let's pick that up that release. So you can see it's something get that. So for the second option we have here, the name of the website is actually Lickd. So this website actually have licensed songs that you can use in your YouTube videos. So here's the name of the website. Simply have to go to the website called lickd.co. So now this website, they have the free songs and then they also have the paid songs. So you simply have to go for the particular one you want. Now I'm going to show you how you can navigate this website to create your account and all of that. So once you land on the website like this, the first thing is that you can simply come over here. I want the beat music, or is it beat? The best music. So first of all, you can come over to the pricing to come see their pricing list. Actually, you can see they have for creators $22 starting price per month. You can just pay $22 per month and then you get access to premium songs and then sound beats and all of that. Now you come over here, you have up to 1.4 million tracks. YouTube, you can see YouTube Save. You keep full ad revenue, catalog size, music from famous artists and all of that. So you can come check their pricing before you start using them. Or better still, if you want to create an account, simply click on the sign up here. Because they won't let you to actually do anything until you create an account, because they require you to connect your YouTube channel to it. So I'm just going to show you that right now. Once you click on the create account, to bring you back to this interface here, where you simply have to click on sign up. Now the benefit of it is that you don't have to pay for the whole $22 actually. Because you can just pay $8 and they get access to a particular song and they get to use that song over and over again. Because once you pay for the license of the song, it becomes permanent. It's not temporary license. So for those of you who are interested in using this website, it's not a temporary license, but it's a license that you can actually use forever. So once you pay for that license, you get to use that license forever. That is the advantage of paying for it. And with that one, you are not afraid of getting copyrighted or anything. But in case whereby you go for other websites that don't actually give you a permanent license, then once it expires, the video can get copyrighted, or you have to rework on it again. Now, one thing I also love about this Linkd is that once you use their songs in your videos, one thing they do is that before you actually pay for the song, the first of all is required to connect your YouTube channel to it. Now, the reason why they ask you to connect your YouTube channel is simply to know how many subscribers you have, to see your average. They are not going to see your earnings, but from your subscribers and your view count, you'll be able to know your revenue range, and then they will simply give you a price range within that amount. Will give you a fair range that you can actually pay to use the songs in your videos. So that is the only reason why they want you to connect your YouTube channel. So I also advise to connect your YouTube channel so that once you use the song, the license will automatically be placed to the video, meaning that YouTube will not get to copyright you. Now, the link to this website will be there in the video description, or you can go access it yourself. It's lickd.co. You can simply come over to this website, buy the song, and then this one, once you buy it, you have the license forever. You can use it anytime you want, anywhere you want. No one will copyright you for any reason. So that is about this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So have a nice day. Bye.